Think your goldfish is happy in its tiny bowl? The reality might be shocking. Today, we uncover the scientific reasons why keeping goldfish in small tanks is actually cruel and often illegal. Most people imagine goldfish as small, slow-moving pets that fit in a fishbowl. However, these ancient fish can grow up to 47 centimeters long and have complex needs that dwarf aquariums. The biggest danger is water quality. Goldfish produce massive amounts of waste which breaks down into toxic ammonia and nitrates that quickly suffocate them without a proper filtration system. Beyond toxins, the limited space in small bowls restricts oxygen flow so severely that scientists have confirmed this confinement can actually cause the fish to go permanently blind. Because of these severe welfare issues, giving away goldfish as prizes or keeping them in bowls is now prohibited by specific bylaws and considered animal cruelty in many regions worldwide. In reality, when provided with a large tank, clean water, and space to swim, goldfish become incredibly calm animals that are excellent for reducing stress and promoting relaxation. In humans, the most impressive fact is their potential size. The longest recorded goldfish measured over 1 meter from snout to tail fin, proving they need vast spaces, not decorative bowls. So, if you love these creatures, remember that their happiness depends on a large tank, not a bowl. What do you think is the most common mistake people make with pet fish? Let us know in the comments.